Hello pre-calculus students, and welcome to a video on going from double angle formulas to power reducing formulas. So in the last video we established these three different versions of the cosine of 2 theta. And so in this video we're going to look at versions 2 and 3. So take a look at those. We established them in the last video, and this is where we're going to start in the current video to go from, in this current lesson, to go from these formulas to what's called the power reducing formulas. And it's a very, very small step. So all we're going to do is we're going to notice that on one side of this is the sine squared of theta, and we're going to basically solve for that. So if we actually, why don't we add this to both sides and subtract this from both sides. So we're kind of do a little switch here. So we're going to add 2 sine squared of theta to both sides, leave that 1 right where it is, and then subtract the cosine of 2 theta from both sides. And then one more step would be to just say sine squared of theta is equal to 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta divided by 2. And that's it. That's the power reducing formula for the sine. So because the reason it's called that is because on the left side you have a second degree formula, expression, and on the right side is first degree, and that can come in handy in calculus. So you'll use these in calculus. Okay, let's do the same thing with the other one, only I'm going to pause the video and let you guys try it. Okay, and there it is, doing the same thing for the cosine squared. Notice I did take one more step to switch, it's cosine of 2 theta plus 1, and I just called it 1 plus the cosine of 2 theta. That's just the way it's more commonly written. Now, we're not going to do tangent the same way. We're going to use what we've just found for the tangent. So the tangent squared power reducing formula would be using the fact that the tangent squared of theta is going to be the sine squared of theta over the cosine squared of theta, and then we're just going to sub in what we just found out. So the sine squared of theta is 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta over 2 from right here, and then that's going to be over the cosine squared, which is 1 plus the cosine of 2 theta over 2, which is right here, and then we're just going to cancel the 2's, and we just get that the tangent squared of theta is 1 minus the cosine of 2 theta over 1 plus the cosine of 2 theta. And there it is. Okay, hope you found that helpful.